What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Weird Ed Danielson, and today I'll be doing a vintage pack opening. Only one. Today I'll be doing the 1995 Flair. Real Monsters Nickelodeon Nostalgia. Yep, I love Real Monsters. Pretty funny. And pretty nasty that they live in the junkyard. Ew. Unless you're a monster, that is. Wow. Cannot wait to see what kind of cards I get. Enough talk. Let's get this party started in 3, 2, 1. Buff. Real monsters. Here we go. Disgusting. That's not good. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody. Have a wonderful day.